Very good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. My name is Varun Pawar, and I am a CBAP professional. CBAP stands for Certified Business Analysis Professionals, and this certification is organized and conducted by International Institute of Business Analysis. And in today's session, I'm going to take you through the brief introduction of CBAP certification. So let's begin with. So today, these are the key index pointers that we are going to discuss. What is CBAP? Importance of the CBAP certification. How to become Certified Business Analysis Professional. How to clear the certification. How to renew your certification. And why there is a need of recertification. What is CBAP? As it stands for Certified Business Analysis Professional. The Certified Business Analysis Professional designation is a professional certification for individuals with extensive business analysis experience. CBAP recipients are the leading senior members of the BA community. IIBA, it stands for International Institute of Business Analysis, that organizes this certification exam. This is the highest certification that IBA offers beside the ECBA and CCBA. Certification is valid for 3 years and need to renew it after every 3 years. Now, what's the importance of the CBAP certification? And if you are a CBAP certified professional, then definitely it's a big achievement. Well, this certification is the highest ranked certification around the world in the business analysis domain. There are only 17,000 certified business analysis professionals all over the world. And the top-notch organizations hires the CBAP practitioners to do business analysis. These professionals are experienced and having extensive knowledge about the businesses. They know how to organize different components of the businesses together to make strategic and the tactical plan to achieve the goals of the organization. How to become certified business analysis professional? Well, in order to become a certified business analysis professional, you should have all the below criteria fulfilled. You should have complete a minimum of 7,500 hours of business analysis work experience in the last 10 years of your working. Within this experience, a minimum of 900 hours completed in 4 of the 6 BABOK guide knowledge areas. So BABOK is a business analysis book of knowledge, and this book comprises of 6 different areas, knowledge areas that you are going to study, learn, and practice. So out of those 6 knowledge areas, you should have 900 hours completed in 4 of the 6 BABOK knowledge areas, and for total of at least 3,600 of the required 7,500 total. So here the 7,500 hours total, out of which you need 900 hours completed in four knowledge areas out of the 6 as per the BABOK, and for total of at least 3,600 out of the 7,500, you should have 3,600 hours in the 4 knowledge areas. Then complete a minimum of 35 hours of professional development in the last 4 years. So this is basically some of you talk about this is CDU, some talk about the PDUs. So basically these are the development units. This means you are taking a training around the BABOK guide, and then you are just submitting that you have taken a course or a training from an institute, and this is how that's mandatory that you have to fill that you have taken this, and the total hours of training that you got is around 35 hours. And who give this? Definitely there are a lot of training institutes that offer this 35 hours of PDUs. Then provide 2 references. So during the time when you are filling the form and applying for the Certified Business Analysis Professional Certification exam, that time you have to provide the 2 references. Agree to code of conduct. This means the ethics that is laid down by the IIBA, you have to comply with all those ethics. So these are the code of conduct. Agree to terms and conditions. There are some legal terms and conditions that you have to be bind with. So you have to agree with those. And at the end, once you are done with your learning and then you are ready for your exam, and you have to pass the exam to become a certified business analysis professional. The next very important question is how to clear the certification. Well, these are the points that is jotted down by me as per my experience, as per my learning schedule. So first of all, you have to read the entire BABOK as per the updated version. Then join some of the training programs and where you can clear your doubts out of the BABOK. Understand each and every line of the BABOK. Each and every line, this means you have to read. You no need to skip any of the line. That's very important. Then put 50-50 rule. This is a rule that I have implemented while I started this course. The 50-50 rule talks about memorizing and understanding. Then practice a lot for 50-50 rule. This means whatever you have memorized, just put this on paper and understand that again and again. Solve the case studies and mock exams to increase the probability. In order to clear the certification exam, you have to go through a case studies and lot of exam questions on a similar pattern. That would help you to increase the probability of your certification. Even if you answer the question correctly, look why other incorrect options provided there and how it relates to the question and the answer. So it happens sometimes like you attempt the questions, you get it correct, but you just skip that and go directly to the question that is incorrect. The key point here is that the options that is provided there with the question that you have answered correctly, just go through why those options are provided there. Just try to relate why these are incorrect, and that will help you to make your understanding for 360-degree understanding of the concept. And last but not the least, join the workshops to understand the different perspective for each topic in discussion. These are the key takeaways for you before you start your certification exam, and that will definitely help you out. And then the last, how to renew your certification. Renew means a recertification. So as per the IIBA, Once you are done with your certification, every 3 years, you have to recertify yourself. And why? I'll take you to the next slide then. How to renew your certification? To recertify, there is a fee associated. You have to check it on IIBA website for the latest fee. Then the CBAP certification from IBA remains active for 3 years and you need to renew it every 3 years. CBAP's recertification requires you to earn a minimum of 60 continuing development units every 3 years from your date of certification. So that I was talking about the professional development units, then 60 CDUs. These are continuing development units. This means you have to take the training, you have to just um, talk about the CBAP topics to the people. You can train the other people. You can work for as a CBAP professional in an organization, and you can show the hours of experience that you get from that. The CDUs can be earned throughout the 3 years to demonstrate your continuous learning. So hope you understand how to renew your certification, but this is post the certification. Once you break through the exam, then only you can take this recertification. Why there is a need of recertification? To make sure that you are continuously upgrading yourself, to make sure that you are keeping a pace with the business analysis profession, and to ensure that you as a business analysis professional contribute to the profession. Hope you understand the CBAP certification, what this is all about, and how this is important for you. I'll meet you in a next session. Till then, take care, and if you have any question, please feel free to put that in a comment below, and I'll happy to answer all of your questions there. Thank you everyone. Thanks and goodbye.